Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a scatter chart in QlikView. So I have loaded the data and then click on reload. So the data is being loaded. 50 orders sheet. So this is basically an order sheet. I'll just right click over here in this particular QlikView document or this canvas. Go to a new sheet object. Click on chart. Now select this scatter chart. Give the window title as profit versus sales. So click on next, add the category country, add it. This is the dimension basically. Then city, 50 order sheet. Click on next. So by default they have selected this particular expressions. So row ID. So we want profit. Over here on the y axis we want sales. Just click on next. Click on next. So it will show us the preview. We'll select this particular preview. This basically click on next. Next, 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 next. We will keep as it is, simple, and click on finish. So this is basically the chart which is being created. So this is being created according to different types of city as well as country. So if you are going to point out over here, I will maximize this. So if I go over here, it shows us the country as United States, city is Seattle, and then profit is around 132.9, sales 407.976. So in this way we can create the scatter chart. So if you go over here, so it will show us whichever city is this. So it is pointing out towards Richards. So if you want to see whoever is in minus or negative, so Philadelphia. Yeah. So if you go over here, it is also showing you. So you can also enlarge this. You can keeping on going on zooming it. I'll minimize this. So profit versus sales for different types of cities. So it can you can see where it can sort it accordingly. Alphabetically you can sort it if you want to. So that's it for this video. So I hope you have understood how to create a scatter chart. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.